The Smanos K1 is your smart portal to home, no matter where you are in the world. It simply blends in your daily life just like a home fixture and breaks the boundaries of traditional home automation and alarm systems at a fraction of the work and cost. Easy setup and operation with the free app. No contracts, no monthly fees, wire-free and battery-powered. It's like magic. Save the environment and save on heating or cooling costs based on your daily routine or your remote smartphone control. Monitor environmental risks such as fire or flooding. And observe and keep track of recent events. I see everything and everyone is safe and secure. Let her be your personal garden butler, protecting your home round the clock. Identify motion in rooms and hallways, while pets get to roam free. Doorway protection as your personal receptionist and night watch. Good thing I can leave and return home with complete peace of mind. Let Smanos be a part of your family.